Уважаемый Касым-Жомарт Кемельевич,
Mr. President Tokayev, esteemed Russian and Kazakh colleagues, employees, and veterans of the Baikonur Space Center, I extend my sincere greetings on this historic occasion, the 70th anniversary of the legendary Baikonur Space Center. On June 2, 1955, a landmark decision by the Soviet state gave rise to a unique rocket testing site, Baikonur, the world's first spaceport. Just a decade after the Great Patriotic War, the Soviet people, a multi-ethnic nation that endured immense loss, achieved the extraordinary, rebuilding cities from ruins, advancing industry and science, and boldly reaching for the stars. Baikonur, along with the Soviet space program, is a monument to vision, courage, and selfless labor. Hundreds of thousands from across the Soviet republics imagined, designed, and built this great complex. We honor the scientists, engineers, test pilots, civilian experts, and military personnel whose dedication wrote the proud history of Russian and global spaceflight. It was here that the countdown to a new era in human history began, where dreams became reality. From Baikonur in 1957, the R-7 rocket launched the first artificial satellite. And on April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth. Baikonur's legacy is filled with milestones. Valentina Tereshkova's historic flight in 1963 as the first woman in space, the launch of the Salyut-1 station in 1967-1971, the reusable spacecraft Buran in 1988, and the launch of the Zarya module in 1998, beginning the construction of the International Space Station. To date, Baikonur has hosted over 2,500 launches and sent more than 200 cosmonauts into orbit. Astronauts from many nations have flown from here, conducting breakthrough research that has advanced both fundamental science and practical applications. The name Baikonur means rich land in Kazakh, truly fitting given its immense contribution to global science and technology. Today, Baikonur remains one of the world's largest and most capable spaceports, with a workforce of approximately 7,000. It continues to play a central role in the space programs of Russia, the CIS, and international partners. Baikonur also stands as a symbol of the deep strategic partnership between Russia and Kazakhstan. Numerous agreements govern the operation of the cosmodrome and the city of Baikonur. Our cooperation here is a model of integration that serves our mutual interests and elevates our roles in science, technology, and innovation. Russia remains committed to supporting Baikonur's development and ensuring a high quality of life for its residents, both Russian and Kazakh. Maintaining and advancing the center's operations remains one of our top priorities. Friends, I wish you all good health and continued success in strengthening our space industry and the Russia-Kazakhstan partnership. Once again, congratulations on this remarkable anniversary,